Yo, what's up guys? Today we'll be installing my coilovers. Well, we're gonna go to Min's house first because he has all the tools there and I don't really have a jack stand or anything. So we're gonna go there and then I'll show you guys the coilovers there. Thinking about doing a 2 on the front and a 1.5 in the back, because the backs, they come lower than the front, which is kind of weird from what I've seen from other videos. I think this install should be really good and easy. Really good and easy.
You serious?
It's just the only thing I'm scared of is stuck bolts. That's gonna suck so much. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. I'm heading a little early, it's 12:07. But I'm going early because there might be some problems and I might be there all day, but we'll see how this vlog goes. And remember, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Check out my art channel right here. Things on, yeah, right here. Check out my art channel and let's get into the video.
I can't see it. I can't see it.
Fuck the fashion boy, this clock, what I'm blocking. Stay designer down when we know you ain't no shopping. Acting like you bulletproof, boy, we hear you talking. Two to his chest, lungs flooded, now we coughing. On the block with them shots, call me Allen Proof.
Hold up, let me talk my shit. We shooting shots at your boy, you know we don't miss. You a broke nigga, see your ass in the lip while I was swerving on the block on my Tokyo trip. Hey, you a broke nigga, now shut up. Don't talk to me, get your bread up. Hey, you a broke nigga, now shut up. Hey, don't talk to me, get your bread up. Hey.
Earthquake, 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 earthquake. Drop that ass to the floor, make it shake, make it shake. Earthquake, earthquake, earthquake.
I'm so excited to get these in. Thanks to you guys, I can buy this shit. I'm gonna jack up the car and get started. I'm here by myself now, but Min will be here in a couple of seconds. I'm in my dad's garage right now. Really dope. Bigger space than my actual place. It's pretty bad. Look at this. I'm trying to get it to at least like one finger. We'll see how that looks. Yeah, let's get into it. All right, it is now jacked up. Funny story, when I was jacking it up, I'm not that strong, so I literally was like jumping on this jumping on the stick, and then it just kept on going up. But hard work, man. Got the lugs off. Now I'm gonna do all the things underneath, take the wheels off. Also, I'm gonna put the wheels underneath here for extra protection. I could have had the jack stand up too, since we don't have any in the back. I might just go ahead and do that actually, so we have like quadruple protection. It is. I might upgrade to a Bembo kit. Just kidding, I don't have money for that. All right, so the rundown of all the videos I've seen, they undid the fork back here and then this bolt right here. So it's only these two you have to undo. Oh my god, your hood, bro. Clothes on, boy. We're about to be working today.
Hell no. Dude, this shit is crazy.
Yeah. Those are my new wheels I got out there. Right here.
How much you did already?
Nothing. I just took the wheels off. I just got here. Oh, I'm so sweaty. It's my dad's car, by the way. Shit looks sick.
What you do with the car key?
Mm-hmm.
The car keys.
What car keys?
I mean
The house key? And then you just hit the side with a wrench. Not too hard.
Not hard?
Wait, is that bolt off?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You hit that side so this comes out. Like it'll slide it out.
Oh, you mean hit it out? Like
Yeah, hit it out. Oh, there you go.
It's coming?
It's coming out, yeah. Finally. Alright guys, we just got this shit off. We did it the Illuminate style. my dumbass went to go buy a breaker bar, but you know, we just called my dad and he said, just grab that shit and do it. Oh my god, that's so much easier, right? Bruh. Guys, we have a problem with the struts stuck there. We got aftermarket and it's like hella long and it's not coming out.
No, it's here, well then switch me. Alright, you pull it then, you do it. Okay?
Fucking hate your ass.
Is it working?
I don't know. You sure it's the right one? Yeah, you gotta act all cool on the
Pull
camera.
it towards you. You gotta pull hard because it's torqued hella hard. You too weak, huh? Let me do it.
This man's a one-man army, baby. Okay, bro, I see you. Gang shit. Oh, let's go! Pog champ in the chat, boys. Holy shit, man. The dude took it off like no problem, yo.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me see.
He made it look so easy. I guess,
Oh my
yo, so I guess
God.
we should, I feel like we could do this side, bro. I don't know. Bro. My man, thank you, bro.
Hard as fuck. Oh shit.
Okay. Oh, this shit is heavy, bro. Guys, if you want to buy this, let me know. These are brand new. Okay, I'll put it in the Dallas. Y'all know what I'm talking about, the Dallas sell page. Oh, my arm, bro. Oh, my arm.
Show him the arm, bro.
Oh,
That shit was heavy, huh?
that shit heavy, boy.
Damn. Hit the format dance.
Nah, I ain't doing it. Alright, let's hear it, bro. I thought you said cold start, though. Alright, bro. Go ahead. Romp it, homie. Hold on, bro. The neighbors are gonna complain, bro. Chill out. Look how happy my car looks. Alright, we got this side in. Thanks to Casey smacking the hell out of the old coilover. And we're just gonna tighten down these bolts, put it down on the wheel. So guys, I just wanted to give you an update on the coilover and stuff. We've got the bolt for the fork underneath. We got that in, but there's nothing wrong with the bolt or anything. It's just the inside is spinning and the bolt's spinning also, so we can't really hit it out. Well, we tried that, but I think it'll just strip the whole inside. Yeah, it just spins. Alright, so first thing that's wrong here, we have, or I didn't center this right, so it's kind of sloped a little bit. That's why the nut's kind of stuck, because it's hitting something, it's getting stuck on there. But if we go back here, thank God the nut isn't all the way in, you know what I mean? Well, it'll probably still snap on the other side, but when you twist it, you could tell like this bottom part just twists out. And then right here, the nut's there, you could twist it and everything. It's just hard to get out. I'm leaving it jacked up because I'm scared I'm gonna snap this nut and then I won't be able to drive anything tomorrow, so, or today at home. I have school tomorrow. It's just crazy.
Look at that.
Damn. Are these reps?
Yeah, they're ESRs. It's like a good rep.
He has a thing like you have on your car.
You have the Dana Senpai stickers?
No.
Oh, he has the Japanese.
White holding on thing.
Oh, the toe hook?
You can't even see anything in there.
No, I can see it.
Look, I'll help you.
Look how nice it looks.
This is nice, bro.
I like the back right now. I'm about to get the tail lights.
Uh-huh. Oh, the LED ones?
The Valentis.
That's clean.
It's a little
Some light.
word.
Oh. I use these too.
With the Volk rims on it.
No, those are the rest, my guy.
That's too much.
Hey, but they fire though, bro. Alright guys, just like that, we're back. And I'm gonna give you guys like a montage of how my car looks. But in order to make this video 10 minutes, because I couldn't get many footage, because we were just doing things on and off, and I would get stuck on things and I think it would be pointless footage. So I tried my best in my ability, but my dad came home, like, well, I had to leave my car there, and then my dad came home. He took everything out in 30 minutes, and I adjusted everything myself. The right side of my car is three, like, you could barely fit 3 fingers, but all the other sides is like two fingers like this. 2 fingers like this. So I might have to adjust the other side but for now I'm just gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna get a alignment soon, so I don't know if it'll help it. Maybe they'll adjust it for me there. I don't even know. I'm going to the Acura dealership, but in order to make this video 10 minutes long, it's gonna be kind of a mini vlog, and we're gonna go to Michael's and buy some canvases because they're on sale. See you there. Oh, this is nice. Here are the canvases. Damn, they don't have this. Yeah, that's the size I need right there. Right here. Yo, this is huge. Alright, I'm gonna take this shit off. Oh shit! Alright, I'm just gonna put these back here. Oh, hopefully these fit. Hell yeah, bro. Perfect. Give you guys a run through of the car. You can see how it's kind of uneven. This side's a little bit higher, but if we go here, it's about, I think it kind of settled in. It's starting to get to 2 before I could fit fully 3 fingers in there. The rears, tucking in 2 fingers on the back. I think back here it's 2 on the back also. Holy shit, I could barely fit 2 fingers. Oh, this is my first time adjusting these, so I didn't know what I was doing, and I should have measured everything before I did everything, but the car still looks pretty good. At least I'm not like 5 fingers on the back, 3 fingers on these, you know what I mean? That's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, or what's most of the video. If you haven't, leave a like and subscribe. Check out the new merch that's out, and I also have a new drawing video out too, so that'll be in the description. Have a good day, guys.